안녕하세요. Hi everyone, I'm your number one native Korean teacher, Hong. If you watch this video, you will learn new Korean consonant, h sound. But before you watch this video, you have to know how to read 10 basic vowels, which are a, ya, o, yo, u, yo, u, yu, i. So if you don't know what it is, please check 2 videos above. Okay, then if you're ready, let's get started. So let me ask you a question today also. So what does it look like? Doesn't it look like 송중기? I'm just kidding. You may have seen this kind of Korean traditional hat in K-drama. So I will create hat sound. Hat sounds like h. Let's practice how to read it. When you repeat after me, try to check the vowels also. Okay? So a, ha, ya, 야, 어, 허, 여, 혀, 오, 호, 요, 효, 우, 후, 유, 휴, 흐, 이, 히, 하, 야, 허, 혀, 호, 효, 후, 휴, 흐, 히, 하, 야, 허, 혀, 호, 효, 후, 휴, 흐, 히. Okay, then now let's see how to write this head sound. There are 3 steps. The first step is to write top to bottom here first, and then left to right, and then the circle counterclockwise. Okay? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? But sometimes Koreans write head sound like this or this connected one, and then this one. All of them are head sound, doesn't matter, so it's up to you. So today we learned head sound. So thank you for watching my video today also. So 그럼 다음에 또 만나요.